Hi, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, and what you're gonna need, what you're gonna start here, so let's brush all that. But you want to start with the clean face, so maybe issues,
Feels like rush hour in my lower intestines.
I don't think I've ever eaten so much food in my life. That's it. I've had it with you, too. I can't even get knocked out without you ruining my social life and getting me into stupid food challenges. But Vincent, we won! Didn't we? Won? I would have never got into this mess if you two weren't always messing around. You two are fired. No more chances. Just get out of here.
Vincent, look.
What?
What does it say?
Yeah, man.
and then I have frequently.
Get back to work. Coming up on Cartoon Network, next, more regular show.
Hey, anything good in there?
I'm going to start on ice.
True.
Finally, in the truth.
It's made with low-fat milk with no artificial growth hormones or high fructose
I'm
corn
using
syrup. Just the chocolatey taste kids love. I got nothing.
That
It's delicious.
will get my finger.
That's a really good thing. Now it's 35% less sugar and the same great chocolate taste.
Oh, hello. You want to be amazing? I hope so. Here's some tips to get you started. Don't do this. Do this instead. Don't do this. Do this. You want a first-class ticket to amazing? You can ask your parents to get GameFly. GameFly offers over 8,000 video game titles with no late fees and free PC downloads. You know the drill. Number one.
Put your hookup, Swabby. I'd be relieving you of that wallet.
Number two.
Put your hookup, Swabby. I'll be relieving you of that wallet.
Number three.
Put your hookup, Swabby. I'll be relieving you of that wallet.
Number four.
But before we do that, this one,
Nicole Edmond went to Iowa State because it gave her lots of options. When she wasn't studying to be a biologist, she took Taekwondo. As she worked to go pre-med, her drill team performed at the Bisha Festival. She started a club with a friend and even interned at the FBI, right up until she got into Johns Hopkins Med School. I sure hope they have enough stuff for her to do. Enjoy your adventure, Iowa State. Visit ChooseYourAdventure.net.
See you at lunch.
now,
Lunchables with smoothie turkey and sugar sub. With a real food smoothie made with half a cup of fruit and 100% juice. Lunchables, packed with fun. Got it, smoothie.
Saving a few bucks.
Same here. Wendy's.
Saving doesn't mean settling.
Going in.
Introducing Wendy's new right price, right side menu. Loaded with big hits you can't get anywhere else. Starting at 99 cents.
Now that's better.
Kellogg's Crave. A totally different breed of chocolate cereal.
this is my
Wicked
next
cream
one.
outside, smooth chocolate inside. Crave cereal. Chocolate chocolate. From the creators of Ninjago, Masters of Spin Jitsu comes a show about I'm glad you could all join me for brunch today. What's the occasion? You even have to ask, Pops? It's to celebrate my amazing streak of good luck. Good luck? Yeah, don't you remember last night? You only beat me last night because of my bad luck. No, Ricky, I only beat you because of my good luck. And it's that luck that makes me trust that we're all going to love this restaurant that none of us have ever even been to. I don't know what any of that is, but with my luck, I'm sure it's going to taste great. We'll take it all. Dig in, everybody. Dim sums on me. That was delicious. Hey, Ricky, where's your food? He hasn't even brought my water yet. Excuse me, it's your soup. I didn't order soup. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll go check out your order. Oh my gosh, oh, check it out. Yeah, I just bit into that oyster and there it was. Hey, so can I stay with this? Oh, of course, but I don't think we have enough money in the budget to make change. Will you take a chance? Sure. Hey, come on. I'm telling you, I can't lose. I gotta go dry off. What? They're all out of towels? It must be your lucky day, sir. The 1,000th customer gets a free meal. Oh, right. Finally, my fortune cookie's here. At least one good thing will come from this meal. What? Bad luck is coming your way? I can't get a break. What are you doing, dude? Hey, that's Vincent's cookie. Man, that is not cool. Put it back. Why? Vincent will never know. Good luck is coming your way. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, we're reading fortunes, eh? Okay, let's see what we have here. Probably gonna win the lottery or something. Bad luck is coming your way? Whatever. It'll take more than a slip of paper to break the winning streak I'm having. Come on, let's get out of here.
Rigby, seriously, you need to switch those fortunes back.
Oh, come on. Vincent's been having crazy good luck lately. He won't even know the difference. Besides, it's just a piece of paper.
Yeah, yes.
You know what would make that place better? Some fortunes that were actually true.
Dude, Vincent, you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. All right, it's a bus token. Come on, guys, the bus is here.
Sorry, bro. Bus is full.
That's cool, guys. I guess we'll just walk. I told you Benson would never notice. Now we can both be lucky.
Yeah, Paul, give us your walk.
All done with the ice.
Hey, have you seen the guy who used to live here? Oh, that guy. Yeah, what a string of bad luck. He lost his car, his apartment, his wallet, his credit card, his driver's license. Did he say where he was going? He just told us. I don't ask questions. Excuse me. There's a hot chicken in your paper over there. Benson! Benson! I haven't seen him. Benson! Skips, have you seen Benson? He's playing cards in my garage. He's convinced he can turn his luck around. No, he can't. It's not even his luck. We have to stop him. Benson, I gotta tell you something.
Not right now, Mordecai. I'm in the middle of a hand.
No, Benson, listen, you shouldn't be playing cards right now.
Okay, so I've had a bad stretch lately. So my wallet and credit cards got stolen. So accounting lost my paycheck. So I can't afford to pay my rent or feed myself. But cards are where I'm luckiest. Cards are my girl. She's never let me down before, and she won't do it this time.
Well, you gotta stop playing now, because you got nothing left to wager with.
Actually, Skips, there is one more thing. I just lost the bar to the guy in the fanny pack.
He's a moron.
No.